Do you love patties? Well, who doesn't? But you often think they're too high in calories and they leave you feeling heavy, especially because of the oil. I used to think the same until I found this recipe. Delicious, filling, and without any extra calories. We're making potato, broccoli, and oh my goodness, cheese patties. It's very simple, and the best part, you can make them in advance, freeze them, and take them out whenever you want something tasty. Usually, fried potato patties have about 300 to 350 calories, but these with broccoli only 80. And that's without compromising on flavor. Let's get started. First, we're going to cook the potatoes and broccoli. Take 5 large potatoes. I'm making a big batch and freezing it. I'll end up with 18 patties. Peel the potatoes. Cut them into pieces and boil them for 10 minutes. While they're cooking, break up 2 large broccoli florets into small pieces and add them to the potatoes. Boil together for another 5 to 7 minutes. The potatoes and broccoli should be soft. Now, let's prepare the patty filling. Take 100 grams of mozzarella and cut it into small cubes. This will give our patties an incredible cheesy filling. And don't forget 50 grams of parmesan. Grate it. It'll add that taste of Italy. Drain the water from the potatoes and broccoli. Mash them into a puree, leaving a bit of texture. Add 5 grams of Italian herbs, 30 grams of flour, and half of the grated parmesan. Mix everything well. The dough should be firm enough to shape easily. Now, let's form the patties. Take a bit of the dough, form small balls, make a dent with a spoon, add some mozzarella and parmesan, and close it up. Oh my God, it's going to be so cheesy. Repeat with the rest of the dough. I made 18 patties. I'll cook 2 now and freeze the rest for later. They'll come in handy. For frying, use just 1 teaspoon of oil. To keep the calories down, I simply brush the pan with a silicone brush. Place the patties in the heated pan. Fry on low heat for 10 minutes on one side. Then flip and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on the other. Now let's make a light salad to balance our dinner. Take some lettuce leaves, 20 cherry tomatoes, a mandarin, add a bit of sesame seeds, and some lemon juice for freshness, a little olive oil. That's it. We made 18 patties weighing a total of 1,200 grams and 1,380 calories. One patty weighs about 70 grams and has only 80 calories. With the salad on the plate, no more than 200 calories. This is the perfect light lunch or dinner. Look how cheesy and appetizing they are, and no extra calories. Subscribe. There's more delicious and healthy recipes to come. If anyone tells you healthy food isn't tasty, Send them to my channel. Cooking tasty yet healthy food is possible, and even necessary, for food that pleases both the body and the soul. See you soon, Karina.